Hello everyone, I am Elvis Tabares and today I am going to give you a little tutorial on how to use Flipsnack. This is a unique publishing platform developed in 2011 and nowadays people all over the world are using Flipsnack to create catalogs online, to download, to share or embed them into their websites. So for that reason I am going to show you how to use this amazing website in a learning environment where teaching and learning play an important role. So first of all, you have to go to www.flipsnack.com. When you get there, you can the Google account. So now I am registered, is free, and I am going to sign in. So give me one moment, the page is charging. So you can get started, you can register, as I told you, with a Google account, and in this moment I am going to sign in. You can sign in with Google, even with Facebook. So this is a very students and teachers can upload their creations, and even other students can just make link to that presentation. So in this moment I'm just entering. Give me one moment please. And here we are. So the internet is being a little rain these days, so let's be patient. Okay, so now that we are here, we can see that we can create flipbooks. So you can upload a PDF file or create from scratch. In this moment I am going to show you how to upload a PDF file. So let's go to my archives so that we can look for a specific PDF that I upload in the Flipsnack website. So what about just uploading some haikus to see poems in English? Let's check it out. Okay, so as we can see here, we can turn our PDFs into a beautiful flipbook. We just have to upload files. We can also upload from Drive if you have documents over there. So let's go over here to my documents and look for haikus. So haikus PDF file, you open that one, and then you are going to see that it is going to upload there. You can also upload more files. So now that the document is ready, we click on Next. And this is what you are going to get. Wait a minute, remember to be patient. So here we are. we already have uploaded the document that I was talking about the haikus, and this is an overview that we have over there. You can see that I am sharing classmates from another course with each one's haiku over here. Remember, this is Japanese, and there you go. When you finish uploading the document, you just have to save and share, and you are going to create a link. Remember always to make your creations public, so that the peers and also the tutor or the teacher can just give you a meaningful feedback. So we publish. Yay! And finally, we made it with a link that everyone is get. So let's go to see about our creation. So voila! This is my Flipsnack with the haikus can share with my classmates, and they can give positive feedbacks about the presentation. And in that way, we can create learning environments with technological tools that can be applied into the learning environments, and students are going to be more willing to learn when they are using devices that they are familiar with. Okay, and now to finish, I am going to show you how can you design projects in which students deliver the link of their presentations. In this moment, I am going to show this student with the narrative project that they have. They have to, first of all, create one story, and then as a result, they have to create a blog with the whole stories. So in this moment, to get this link that they have sent to me, and I am going to show you the result. All of them, each one wrote a story, and they received feedbacks, and then they compiled all the stories into a flipbook, and this is the result, guys. The result of the narrative project that I have created for 7th graders. You can see it over here. So you can see over here, this is the narrative project, 7th grade. This is team number 5. They use, students were required to use whatever website they were familiar with. So this group, they choose a Flipsnack. So this is their presentation. So as you can see, they have all the stories there. So it's an interact. Other students can just get inside and interact by giving meaningful feedback. Okay, so I hope that this tutorial you, and I hope that you can apply these new tools inside the learning environment that you are creating for your students. Thank you very much. Have a nice evening.